Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Xauusd. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and as we can clearly see that market is flat. There is not much volatility in the market, and the reason is gold price is flat ahead US inflation data. Gold is flat early on in the Asian session after notching several record highs in the past days amid robust buying by central banks. US labor market data released last week is keeping alive hope for the Fed first rate cut in June, Philip Nova analysts say in a note. So market is mostly waiting for the today's CPI or inflation report or data. So please be careful at the time of news. Market will be volatile again. If market fails to meet the expectations, then it may show some bearishness on gold, because if market fails to meet the expectations, then we may see DXY going up. But my dear friends, this is just theory. Probably you have seen how crazy market becomes at the time of news. So please be careful. If you're a beginner, new trader, do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money. So at the time of news, don't be crazy. Okay, so let's look at the chart of dollar index. So we can see the dollar index is also flat, not much activity going on. Dollar index is trading at 102.80. DXY is flat more or less. And as we discussed yesterday, that if DXY goes up, wait, let me change the color. If DXY goes up to 103 to 103.20, it will face some resistance around this area and we can expect a reversal because the trend of the market is down. Okay, if market reverses from this particular zone, we can plan our trades accordingly. And if DXY drops during the European session, Asian session, we can expect 102 to 102.10 to provide support to the market. But at the time of news or after the data, when the market will be volatile, these levels will not work. Keep in mind, when fundamentals dominate, technicals fail. So follow the trend of the market. We are retail traders. We have a limited capital. We do not run the market. So you should know when to be flexible. So when the fundamentals will be dominating the market, try to go with the fundamentals instead of looking for reversal trades. Okay, I know the reversal trades give the adrenaline rush, but they also cost us a lot when they go wrong. And now let's look at the chart of gold, and we can see that the trading opportunities that we discussed yesterday are still very much valid. Things have not changed because market is flat. And in this type of market situation, custom indicators like chart prime are very useful for us, because the custom indicators generate not only buy and sell signals on the chart, but with their superior analysis, they help us to analyze the market better. For example, you can see on the chart, the Market Oracle Pro is giving us buy and sell signals, but at the bottom you can see the Prime Oscillator Pro is also helping us with the overbought, oversold levels, and at the same time it is also marking the trend reversal levels, divergences, so that we can understand where market is losing the momentum, where market is gaining the momentum, and we can plan our trades accordingly. So if you're tired of telegram signals and looking for a better solution, proper solution, then yes, you can definitely check out chart prime. They have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. You can know more about them on the tutorials section. Okay, the link will be in the description. Feel free to check them out. Okay, now let's talk about our beloved gold. So, my dear friends, first of all, I would like to show you this. We can see that we have a clear flag pattern. We have a clear flag pattern here. We can see the market is consolidating. So further upside is still very much possible. But in flag pattern, usually we go for a buy when market breaks the flag. But here we have a little complication. And the complication is that we have a strong resistance around 2000, not 2000, 2200. Okay, I'm still around 2000 level. So if market breaks 2200 with a big green candle, means market is volume, then only go for a buy. because if you go for a buy at breakout, then there may be some sort of struggle around 2200 and market may reverse. If that happens, you will be trapped. So if market breaks 2200 with volume, then we can go for it, but we can clearly see that we have a bull flag on the screen. Okay, so very much possible that we may get to see a downside. We may get to see a downside after CPI and upside on gold, because sometimes charts do speak before the news. And the next best support on the chart of gold is still around 2150 to 245. Okay, this is the best support on the chart of gold, and we have already seen many times why this is the best support, because here we use Fibonacci, my beloved, my favorite Fibonacci. Here we have Fibo 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, the previous resistance will be working as support, and it's a round number 2150. So 2150, 2145 is a good zone in the market. If gold drops, I'm not talking at the time of news. Okay, at the time of news, only follow the trend of the market. But before news, or when the market will settle down after news, okay, then you can look for a buy around 2150, 2145 if gold drops. And before news and during the Asian session and European session, you can look for a buy around 2163. This is not the exact number, around 2163. Why around 2163? Because you can see we have the previous resistance working as support and the 100 moving average coming up. Okay, so 2163 is another level where you can look for a buy, because 2150, 2145 is far away. And in case 2163, 2162, that particular level fails, you have immediate support around 2160. Okay, 2160 to 2156 as well. So you must be confused right now. Let me write it down. Okay, so first of all, you have a support around 2163. Okay, this is your first support, this is your second support, and this is your third support, 2150 to 2145. These are the three support levels where you can look for a buy, and 2150 is the strongest. But at the time of news, when market will be dominating by the news will be dominating the market, okay, only go with the trend, not with the levels. So 215045 is the strongest support. And during the European session, Asian session, if market drops, then you can look for a buy around these two levels. If you see that market is taking support, market is trying to bounce. Yesterday I did not discuss about 2160, 2156, and the reason was, okay, reason was I thought that this may not be important, but today I saw that market has shown considerable price ejection around this area. So if the yellow line fails, market will get some immediate support around this area. So these are the three levels where you can look for a buy if market drops. And if you're still holding a buy, you can be on the trade, because further upside is still very much possible. Market is still very much bullish. And if gold breaks 2200 level, please try to go with the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals, because in the coming days, if gold breaks 2200 successfully, gold will be heading towards 2250, 2300 level. My tongue will be paralyzed. I'm still unable to digest 2200 level. Okay, if market goes 2300 level, okay, I don't know. Okay, how long it will take. In fact, I still find it difficult to believe that we are in 2024, 2024. Okay, mentally I'm still around 2022, 2021. Time is flying so fast. Anyway, we can also see that on the 15 minutes time frame, market is also taking support around 2177. Okay, market is repeatedly taking support here since yesterday, but this level has become too common, so be careful this time. I'm not going for any position. Yesterday also I did not take any position, because I was hoping for buy around 2150 and 2164. Market did not come, so let's wait and watch. Hopefully I'll get some position today. At the time of news, I'm usually I go for buy stop, sell stop. Okay, at the time of news, I'm not getting the positive vibe that market will be taking a huge move. Okay, so I'm not getting the right vibe. If market takes a particular trend after news, then I may try to follow the trend. But as of now, I do not have any buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. I'm just waiting for 5064. And my dear friends, I have a small announcement to make, and that is that I'll be on a vacation from 20th March to 3rd April. I am going to Bangalore, Uti, Kurg with my family. Okay, it's a 15 days trip. So it's a vacation. Okay, my brain also needs rest. In fact, we all deserve some vacation. So I will not be uploading any videos during this period. But my wife Priyanka will be uploading videos because it's a relatively new channel. She is saying that okay, the channel needs more growth. So yes, she will be uploading. It's a Hindi channel, my dear friends. So if you understand Hindi, if you are interested in Hindi videos, feel free to subscribe Priyanka Talks. Okay, because uh, it will be helpful, I guess. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.